Biomedical engineering is the process of solving problems in healthcare by designing new tools and improving existing devices. The Biomedical Engineering, or BME department, is one of the most diverse in the College of Engineering, with almost 40% of our students being women. We think that's because we see and make such a positive impact in people's lives. The Bme curriculum exposes students to all kinds of engineering, and later on, students pick an area or two in which they are specifically interested to focus. There are 7 of these areas. They include imaging, bioelectric, biomechanic, biomaterial, bioinformatics, design and regulatory affairs, as well as a host of pre-health options. After graduating with a degree in BME, there are several careers one might pursue. One of which is to become a design engineer, where you would design new and innovative medical devices and processes. Another option is to become a quality assurance engineer, where you would help manufacture these new devices. A third option is to work in regulatory affairs, where you would help verify that these new products are safe and effective for patients. A fourth option is to work in healthcare. If you have an interest in working in a clinical capacity, BME is a great jumping off point, as 95% of our students who apply to medical schools are accepted. Some of the work done by biomedical engineers involves making MRI machines that are more computationally efficient, or X-ray machines that use less radiation. Other biomedical engineers have made great advances in the 3D printing of human skin, and we are well on our way to eventually printing entire organs. Now we're going to look at real-life solutions developed by biomedical engineers. I have with me several implantable biomedical devices. There is an artificial hip joint, a femur implant, and an artificial knee joint. This is an artificial hip joint. This part of the device goes in the leg, and this piece is inserted into the pelvis where they connect. There are 2 notable features of this device. The first is the exchangeable top. Hip sockets vary from person to person, and this allows doctors to choose the appropriate size. The second feature is this rough coating, which helps the device integrate into the bone. The next device we have is a femur implant. In the event that someone breaks their femur, a device like this is necessary to make sure the bone heals correctly. This device is inserted through the middle of the bone and held firm by a series of screws. Our third implantable device is an artificial knee joint composed of 2 pieces. The first piece is inserted into the lower leg bone. The second piece is attached to the upper leg bone. You can see how similar the shape is between the real bone and the artificial device. Once inserted, the 2 pieces interact like this. This pad is unique because it can be replaced without having to do a total knee replacement. If you're like me and have an interest in medicine and the human body, biomedical engineering might be the right choice for you, as it's a great way to apply your passions to solve problems and help people in their everyday lives.